Catching on to idioms, understanding, catch one's death. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms. Today, we're exploring the phrase, catch one's death. This idiom might sound a bit dramatic, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about the language's quirks, you're in the right place. Catch one's death is an idiom used to describe getting very sick, usually as a result of being in cold weather. It's an exaggeration, implying that someone could become so ill that it might lead to death. Fortunately, it's more about expressing concern for someone's well-being than a literal expectation of severe illness. The phrase, catch one's death, dates back to a time when connections between cold weather and severe illness were more commonly believed. It reflects an old-fashioned view that being cold could directly cause a life-threatening illness. While we now know more about how illnesses are transmitted, the phrase endures as a colorful way to express concern. Let's put catch one's death into context. Imagine it's a cold, rainy day, and someone goes out without proper clothing. You might say, "Don't go out like that. You'll catch your death." This expresses worry that they might get very sick from being underdressed in cold conditions. English is full of idioms that express concern for health. Similar phrases include coming down with something, starting to get sick, and under the weather, feeling slightly ill. Each of these idioms has its unique flavor but conveys concern about health. Thank you for joining us to explore the idiom, catch one's death. We hope this video not only helps you understand this particular phrase but also enriches your appreciation of English idioms. Stay warm, stay healthy, and keep learning with us. See you in the next video.